Ginger has been used as a natural remedy for many ailments for centuries. Based on research, the herbal therapeutic benefits of ginger are mainly due to the presence of volatile oils in the high oleoresin content. Here are some of the health benefits of ginger. Aids in digestion. Relieves nausea including dizziness from motion sickness. Helps lower cholesterol. Relieves gas and bloating. Treats common colds. Eases menstrual cramps. Ginger is known to have antispasmodic qualities. It helps in directing the blood flow to the pelvic region. This releases the blockages and cures cramping in the process. Relieves headaches. Helps stop diarrhea. Heartburn relief. Ginger has long been used as a natural heartburn remedy. It is most often taken in the form of tea for this purpose. Protects the liver. Drinking alcohol in large quantity can give the person a hangover. One of the ginger tea benefits is that it reduces the effects of a hangover. Consuming alcohol or taking drugs can cause severe damage to the liver. Drinking ginger tea daily, twice a day, helps in keeping the liver protected against the ill effects of such toxic substances. Cures acne. One of the major reasons behind the appearance of acne is stress. Ginger tea freshens up a person and improves his mood. This reduces the stress and thus, acne is minimized too. Also, ginger tea has anti-inflammatory properties because of which any kind of pimples or swelling on skin gets reduced with its regular consumption.